Join me to master Canva in just 15 minutes. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step breakdown on how to master Canva in 15 minutes. So Canva is a very beginner-friendly graphic design tool that is easy to master for both beginners and professionals. In Canva, click on Create Design at the top left-hand corner. Then here you will see that you have access to different templates like documents, whiteboard, presentations, social media, videos, and websites. You can also decide that you want a custom size for your design. All you need to do is click on the custom size and input the width and the height of your design. Then you go to the unit and choose your appropriate unit. It could be pixels, it could be anyone. It could be pixels, it could be inches. Just pick on anyone that you feel is appropriate for your design. Then in the search bar, you can search anything. That is what blows my mind about Canva. Now I'm just going to search YouTube thumbnail, but you can search anything that comes to your mind. You can decide to click on this plus button to customize your YouTube thumbnail from scratch, or you can choose from any of these YouTube thumbnail templates from Canva and customize it. Next, go back to Create Design at the top left-hand corner. Click on it. Then just click on video, because for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be creating a graphic video, but you can decide to create anything. It could be a social media post, a mobile video. You can decide to even make yours a YouTube video or a document or presentation, whatever it is. At the left hand side of this video design is what is called the Canva toolbar. That is the element, text, upload, draw, and whatever. So the first one is the element. I'm just going to click on it. So once you click on the element, you have access to so many jets that you can use to enhance your design. So you can first click on the search and search out anything, or you can click on either frame. Once you click on frame, you can click on graphics frame. You have access to graphics frame, photo frame, video frame, and whatever frame you want. So I'm going to just exit. Then next I'm going to click on arrow. Here you can see I have access to all arrow, graphics arrow, photo arrow, video arrow, and I'm just going to exit and click on the next one. Music. I have access to graphic music, photo music, and video music, all the shapes and the icons. Then I'm going to exit and go ahead and click on line. Here I have access to all the line, the graphics line, the photo line, and the video line. I'm going to also exit again. Then I'm going to scroll till I see the next one, which is circle. Here I have access to graphic, photo, video, circle. The list is endless. I'm going to exit again and move to the next one. Shape. Now you have access to all the shapes, their graphics, photos, and video shapes. So you can do that again. Exit and scroll. Now you have the logo. You can see all logo, graphics logo, photo logo, then video logo. You can use it for your designs. All of these that I have been mentioning, you can use them for your design. Then I'll just go ahead and exit. Go and click on shapes. Here you have access to all the shapes. You can next I'm just going to click on graphic shapes, photo shapes. You can see the graphic shapes, and they are so cute, and you can use them for your design too. Photo shapes, then video shapes. This you can use to enhance all your designs. The list, like I said earlier, is endless. You have access to so many things. Next I'm going to type in 3 just to show you an example. So now I'm going to search 3. Now you can see all the 3, but I'm going to click on graphics 3, then scroll down. You can see that I have access to different graphics 3s, and you can see this one I can use it to enhance my video design. The element toolbar in Canva gives you access to lines, shapes, graphics, and so many things that you can use to customize or enhance your design. So the next Canva toolbar to be discussed is called the text. Once you click on text, you have access to use any of the styles, like you can use a heading, a subheading, or a little text. For example, I'm going to be starting with this heading. I'm going to type in Canva tutorial. Oops. Then you can now go ahead and change the color. I'll go ahead and click on color, then so that I can change the color of my text. I think I prefer this color. Next, you can also bolden it. Clicking on this B at the top, the text is bolden already. So next, I'm going to click on font. Here you can choose from any of these fonts. I prefer Anton. I'm just going to click on Anton. You can also upload a font. Just click on this upload button to do that. And you can also increase the size by clicking on this plus or minus button at the top. Yes, you can click on this plus or minus button to increase the size or decrease the size of your text. Click on I to italicize your text. Next, you can also decide on how to align your text. Next, you can also decide if you want it to be bullet points or lists. You can also click on transparency to reduce or increase the transparency of your text. You can click on effect to add effect to your text. All you need to do is just click on effect. And once you click on effects, you will now choose from different effects that there are on Canva to, jazz up your text. You can play around with it. Click on any one. You can also increase or decrease the intensity, or you can also, for some effects, you can increase or decrease the thickness. Just play with it. It's very easy, and don't be scared of playing around. That is one of the secrets to designing in Canva. Don't be scared of playing with things. At the bottom, you can decide to, add curve to your text like this, or you can decide to, don't add curve. I'm just going to go back to none, make my text normal, then click on animate. If you want to animate your text, all you have to click on animate, then use the different type of animation that there are on Canva. You can see you can also reduce or increase the speed of your animation, and you can also decide if you want it to be both or on enter or on exit. You can also reduce the speed like this. Like I said earlier, don't be scared of playing around. Canva don't bite. So you can also check out other animation. Next on the toolbar is called the brand. Here, this allows you to customize your design so that you stand out. Whenever they see it, they know that, okay, this is for XYZ brand. Here you can add your logo, you can add your colors, your fonts, your brand voice, your photos, your graphics. Next is the upload. Here you can decide to upload from your computer images, videos, and audios to Canva. The next one is called draw. In draw, you have access to these pencils that you can use to either shade or draw on your design. And next after that is called projects. Here you have access to all the projects you have designed on Canva, so you can revisit them or you can also edit them, whatever it is you want to do. Next is the apps. Click on apps. Here you can search out any app of your choice, or you can scroll through and see anyone. You can use these apps right inside of Canva, which is also cool. Now I have deleted my text. I will go to Elements and type in nature background. Then I'll click on graphics. I think I prefer the second one, sorry. So I will right click and set as background image. Now I have this as my background image. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to Elements and type trees. Then click on graphics. Now you can see, as I showed you earlier, I have access to different graphic trees. I'm going to scroll and then pick one. especially this animated tree. I like it. I'm going to adjust it because I want to work on my nature background. I think it's scanty. I want to add trees to it, so I'm going to pick another trees and bring it here. So I think it's better now. Next, I'm going to go back to Elements and type in bird. Just type in bird, then click on graphics. Then I like this bird. I'm going to bring it, then adjust it and put it up, drag it up like this. Then I'm going to click on animate, then click on create animation. Then I'll just drag it from the beginning of the sky of my background to the end like this. You can see. So now my bird is now flying. You can reduce the speed of the animation and also the movement style. I will just change my movement style to smooth, then I'll click on done. This is absolutely beautiful, and you can also try it. You can animate any object on Canva. Next, I'm going to go and type in orange, then click on graphics, choose any orange, then adjust it. Okay, so next I'm going to go to Elements and type in cartoon legs, click on graphics, then choose any leg of my choice. So I'm just going to adjust it at the bottom of the orange. Next, I'm going to return back to Elements and type in cartoon arms. Make sure it's on graphics, then pick any arm of my choice, adjust it, duplicate the arm, go to flip and flip horizontal, also adjust it. Further, I'll click on the legs, then go to position, then make sure it is backward. I'll adjust the arm a bit, I'll adjust the second arm too, then I'll click on the arm now and make sure it's also backward. Do the same for the second arm. Next, I'll go to Elements and type in cartoon face. Pick any face of my choice and drop it on the orange. Make sure I adjust it so you can see how Elements works now, how you can get anything from Elements. Next, you can just highlight all of the elements and then group them like this. Now you see that all your elements are now one. You can see how easy to use Canva is. You can get anything you want in Elements and you can also bring them together as one. Next, I'm going to be going back to Elements. I'm going to type in orange tree. Make sure it's in graphics. Then I'm going to scroll and pick this orange tree. I think I like this one. Next, I'm going to choose an orange basket. So I'm going to bring it here and place on this rock. I'm going to create this cartoon about orange. So I'm going to adjust my orange tree. I'm going to adjust it. You remember at the beginning of this video I taught you how to look for shape in Elements. So I'm just going to go to Elements and scroll till I see shapes. I think I'll just click on shapes like this, then I'll bring this shape. I'm going to adjust it and paste this here. I'm going to go and change the color of the shape to orange. Yes, I think I like it. Next, I'm going to go to text. Remember, I also taught you how to use text. Then I'm going to click on add a heading here. I'm going to write orange. I'm going to place it on top of my shape like this. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on the orange, that is the text. I'm going to click on it like this. Then I'm going to go to animate, scroll down till I find bust, click on bust. Now I have used Canva to create an animation or a cartoon video on orange. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.